here is how to get from Exodar to Ironforge in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. Well, Exodar is located in Azuremyst Islands, while Ironforge is located in Dun Morogh, very far away. And I'll show you how to get there if you want to get there by foot. Just an additional tip, if you can find anywhere along the journey a mage, ask him nicely for an Ironforge portal, as the mage portal is the fastest way to travel in WoW WOTLK. But if you still want to get there by foot, then you found the perfect tutorial. So for this you'll have to exit Exodar, then in Azuremyst Islands in the south you'll find a dock. There will arrive a boat which will take you to Darkshore. So get to Darkshore, and after that you'll arrive at this cross dock, and from here you'll have to switch boats. So as you'll exit the boat, turn right, and you'll have to wait here for a yellowish wood color boat. So you'll have to get aboard this one once we'll arrive, because this one will get you to Stormwind, and from Stormwind we are like 70% done with this tutorial. And once you are in Stormwind, you will have to go to the Dwarven district of Stormwind, because there you will have to take the Deeprun Tram, which will take you straight to Ironforge, and that's the last method of transportation which you'll have to take to get to Ironforge from Exodar. So get aboard this tram and now get out of it, and in this way you just arrived in Ironforge from Exodar in WoW WOTLK in WOTLK Classic. So comment will be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.